Hello students, now we will do the polar form of a complex number. So first of all, what is the polar form of a complex number? Polar form of a complex number. It is the method of writing the complex number in the form of sin theta and cos theta, यानी कि in trigonometric terms. So that is called the polar form of a complex number. So let us take any complex number z is equal to x plus iota y. So let's take a complex plane. This is real x is x and this is imaginary x is y and this is origin. So here it is x and here it is y. So this is y and let's join it. This is perpendicular. Let the angle be theta. So this is point P. Let the length of OP be r. Let it be m. So what is r? R is under root of x square plus y square using Pythagoras theorem, and what is it is equal to OP, so which is equal to modulus of z. So that is modulus of z is equal to x square plus y square. We write OP as modulus of a complex number z. And what is tan theta? So tan theta, it is perpendicular upon base, it is y by x. So this is tan theta. Now what is theta here? Where theta is called amplitude, or we also called it argument. And this argument is termed to be principal argument. ये argument principal argument कब हो सकता है? थीटा. If the value of theta lies between minus pi to pi. अगर थीटा की वैल्यू माइनस पाई और पाई के बीच में लाई करेगी, then this argument will be called a principal argument. Now there are certain rules of finding theta, that is the rules of getting the angle between the value minus pi and pi. So what are those rules? So if हमारे को गिवन है tan theta, tan theta is y by x. We put it into this mod brackets. We take it always positive. If पहला रूल, if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, अगर x भी पॉजिटिव होगा y भी पॉजिटिव होगा, then theta will be theta. तो theta जो है वो वही एंगल रहेगा. Second, if x is less than 0, y is greater than 0, then theta will be pi minus theta. So theta को हम लिखेंगे 180 में से माइनस करके. Third is if x is less than 0 and y is less than 0, then theta will be equal to, then this theta will be minus of pi minus theta. Fourth, if x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0, then theta will be minus theta. So these are the rules. तो जब भी आप थीटा ऐसे निकालेंगे तो आपके पास हमेशा थीटा की वैल्यू इसके बीच में आएगी विद इन माइनस पाई एंड पाई. सो ऐसे आपके पास हमेशा ही प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट आएगा. सो these are the rules of finding the argument. This is modulus, and this is the theta. Theta means amplitude or argument. Now let's write this complex number in the polar form. Let's write the complex number in its polar form, that is trigonometric form. X upon r will be equal to cos theta, and y by r is equal to sin theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So therefore, let's put the values in this equation. X plus iota y. X is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. So the value of z comes out to be r cos theta plus iota sin theta. So where r is the modulus and theta is the argument. So this is called the polar form of a complex number. This is the polar form of complex number. This can also be written as r cis theta. Cos theta plus iota sin theta can be written as cis theta, and it can also be written as e to the power iota theta. It is the Euler form of writing the polar form, that is cos theta plus iota theta will be written as e to the power iota theta. So this is the polar form of a complex number. Let's do some examples. First, write the polar form. Write the complex number. Write 1 plus iota in polar form. हमने 1 plus iota को polar form में लिखना है. So 1 plus iota is the complex number. So therefore z is equal to 1 plus iota. So if we compare it with x plus iota y, x is 1 and y is 1. So now, how to find r? R is modulus of z. So which is equal to under root of 1 square, real part square plus imaginary part square, which is under root 2. So the value of r is root 2. Then we have to find the value of theta. Now tan theta is y by x. That is 1 by 1. Because the imaginary part, that is y, it is 1, and the real part, that is x, which is 1. So tan theta will be 1. So theta will come out to be, when tan theta is 1, so it is 45 degree, and 45 degree is written as pi by 4 the radians. Now since here x क्या है? 1. X is 1, so that means which is greater than 0. Y क्या है? 1, which is greater than 0. So when x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, so what is the value of theta? Theta will remain theta. So theta यहाँ पे क्या है? Pi by 4. So argument pi by 4 ही रहेगा. So argument will be pi by 4. So therefore polar form क्या होगी? Now the polar form is r times cos theta. ये होता है ना r cos theta plus iota sin theta. अब इसमें हमने r और थीटा की वैल्यूज पुट कर देनी है. सो r इज रूट 2, थीटा इज पाई बाय 4 प्लस आयोटा साइन पाई बाय 4. लेट्स मूव टू अदर क्वेश्चन. अगर यहाँ पे माइनस होता, -1 प्लस आयोटा, सो वी विल राइट x z इज इक्वल टू -1 प्लस आयोटा. अब इसकी पोलर फॉर्म हमने फाइंड आउट करनी है. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड r, which is modulus of z, which is equal to -1 square plus 1 square, so which is equal to root 2. So the value of r comes out to be root 2. Now we have to find the value of theta. Now tan theta क्या होता है? It is y by x. So tan theta will be minus 1 of mod. Mod में है तो it will be positive. So tan theta 1 कब होता है? When theta is 45, that is pi by 4. Now let's check the signs. X क्या है यहाँ पे? -1. That means x is less than 0. Y क्या है यहाँ पे? 1. That means y is greater than 0. इसका मतलब x less than 0 है और y greater than 0 है. जब x less than 0 होता है और y greater than 0 होता है तो थीटा क्या होता है? थीटा is pi minus theta. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? ये pi by 4 है तो थीटा will be written as pi minus pi by 4. तो थीटा कितना आ जाएगा? 3 pi by 4. This is the argument. Now what is the polar form? It is r. R is what? Root 2 cos theta, that is theta here is 3 pi by 4 plus iota sine 3 pi by 4. So this is the polar form of this complex number. Now let's see what happens if we make both negative. If the complex number is -1 and minus iota. अगर ये दोनों नेगेटिव हो, z is equal to -1 and minus iota. Let's find the polar form. Now r is modulus of z, which is equal to under root -1 square plus -1 square, which is under root of 1 plus 1, which is under root of 2. So r is again root 2. Now let's calculate the theta, value of theta. Tan theta is y by x, that is -1 upon -1. So tan theta will be 1. That is theta is equal to pi by 4. Now in this question, x is equal to -1. That means x is less than 0. Y is equal to -1. Y is less than 0. So that means x is less than 0 as well as y is less than 0. When both are negative, when both are less than 0, then theta क्या होता था? Theta will be minus pi minus theta. So यहाँ पे theta pi by 4 आया तो pi minus theta. So this will be the value of theta. It will be minus 3 pi by 4. So what is the polar form? Theta आपके पास ये आ गया ना, तो polar form is the value of r is root 2 and the value of theta is minus 3 pi by 4. So cos minus 3 pi by 4 plus iota sine minus 3 pi by 4. So this is the polar form. Now if it is 1 minus iota, if the complex number is 1 minus iota, then what will be its polar form? So now we take z equals to 1 minus iota. So now z is equal to 1 minus iota. Now what is r? It is modulus of z, which is real part square, imaginary part square, which is under root of 2. The value of r is under root of 2. Then what is tan theta? It is y by x. So tan theta is -1. तो mod में है तो it will be, we take it positive. Theta will be pi by 4. Now if we check, x is 1, which implies x is greater than 0. Y is -1, which implies y is less than 0. So therefore x greater than 0 and y less than 0. जो मैंने आपको प्रॉपर्टीज लिखवाई हैं उसमें जो लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी थी कि when x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0, then theta will be minus theta. So here theta is minus 4, so it will be minus of pi by 4. तो यहाँ पर आर्गुमेंट ये है r ही है. So therefore the polar form will be, the value of r is √2 and it is cos minus pi by 4 plus iota sine minus pi by 4. So this is the polar form of this complex numbers. So that's how we have to find the polar form. तो 4 टाइप्स हैं क्वेश्चंस के, 4 ही प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. तो हर एक प्रॉपर्टी पे एक एक आपका क्वेश्चन, मैंने आपको एक एक एग्जांपल बता दिया. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द polar form of a complex number. Now the modulus, you know the modulus. What is modulus? R is the modulus of a complex number. What is the argument? What is the amplitude? And what is the principal argument? So theta is the argument or amplitude. And what is the polar form? Polar form is R times cos theta plus iota sin theta. So this is the polar form of the complex number. Thank you, students.